this video, I'll show you how to add any social media links to your YouTube video description or YouTube channel. There are a few ways to do this. The first method applies to all your future videos, while the second method only works for one specific video. To apply the first method, go to the top right corner, click on your profile, and open YouTube Studio. Then click on the Settings gear icon. Next, select the Upload Defaults option. On the right side, you'll see a text box for the description. Here, enter your social media links. Make sure to include the HTTPS part, otherwise they won't appear as clickable hyperlinks. For this example, I've added my Instagram page. Once you're done, save the settings. Now, whenever you upload a new video to your channel, your social media links will automatically appear in the description box. One thing to remember is that you need to verify your YouTube account for clickable links. This is required for new channels. Viewers can now see your social media links in your video description. The second method applies to individual videos. Go to the specific video where you want to add your social media links and click the Details icon. Then, add your social media profile links in the description. Save the video settings. When you check your video description, you'll see your social media links added. You can also add your social media links to your channel description. To do this, click on Channel Customization in YouTube Studio. Next, scroll down and add your social media links in the description section. Scroll down further to the Links section. Click on Add Link, type your social media name, and then paste your social media handle or URL. Finally, click Publish. Now, viewers can see your social media links displayed on your channel description. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.